Ellis County Auto Repair is known throughout North Texas and is well regarded for its high-quality workmanship, outstanding customer service, and consumer advocacy efforts in protecting its community members from being shortchanged in their repairs. Because of Ellis County Auto Repair's unique and truly independent positioning, they are ideally situated to offer their customers the benefit of having their very own professional team dedicated to you and your family's personal safety and economic well-being.
A few months back, I was driving and somebody came out of nowhere, ran a stop sign, and they ended up sideswiping me. You know, I'm very proud of my vehicle and I needed to get it worked on, and so I started asking around, asking some friends who they trusted to take care of their car. They told me that Ellis County Auto was the place to go. It was a local business and that the customer service here was very excellent. They were checking in with me, touching base with me, letting me know, you know, this is where we're at on your vehicle. This is what we have to do in order to get this fixed properly. And they would constantly give me just updates on where it was at. And so that let me know, especially whenever, you know, I work for a living and I use my vehicle for a living, it was very helpful as far as my employer, just being able to let him know, you know, if I needed to take off or anything like that. There was no uncertainty. Everything was very well explained and coordinated. When I got my car back, it was so pristine that you couldn't tell that I had even been in a wreck. I would completely recommend them to anybody